This month we are going to talk about how to take a picture of your screen. Have you ever seen a neat picture on the internet that you wanted to quickly copy and send to a friend? Or have you tried to explain a problem you are experiencing on your computer, but you can never clearly demonstrate or explain the problem without a picture? Or have you ever tried to help someone through a problem they are having with their computer? If I am trying to help someone through a problem, I ask them to describe what they are seeing on their computer screen. This is where the fun starts. The person describes what they are seeing using their own terminology. It seldom matches my terminology, so I ask questions to clarify. We go back and forth for 3 or 4 emails. The conversation usually ends with my blood pressure up a few points, and then I finally say, I need to come over and see what you're talking about. This always reminds me that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, in this tech talk, I'm going to show you how to take a picture of your computer screen. Only we will be taking the picture using the Windows snipping tool. The snipping tool is available on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1 systems. You can also download versions of the snipping tool for Windows XP and Vista, but you shouldn't be on XP because it's no longer supported. Okay, so here's what we do. First, be sure to position on a picture that you'd like, not just a picture, it could be text. And here I've done a search of, and I have a nice bird picture here. So now you have to locate the snip tool. On my Windows 7 system, I go to the Start menu, I left click, and I'll see here that the snipping tool is already up on my most frequently used menu because I've been using it. Now, if you don't find it there, you can go to All Programs, or you can simply go to the search box down here. But now I'm going to press on the snipping tool, and you'll see that the window becomes somewhat gray in color. In fact, it fades out, and the snipping tool has appeared up here. And the cursor has now become a set of crosshairs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position the crosshairs on the top left corner of the screen that I want to capture. And I'm going to just pull it down to the right. And there it is. And that's the picture that I want to capture. Now, I have the left button still pressed down. Now I'm going to release it. So now I've released it, and you can see here's the picture in the snipping tool. Here it is. And that looks pretty good. So now I have the menu items for the snipping tool, and I could do a number of things here, but what I'm first going to do is I'm going to say save it. Let's save it as. So now I'm just saving this picture, and I'm going to put this on my desktop. So I press desktop, and I'm going to give it a name called bird picture. Okay? And then I'm going to enter it. And it already exists because I've been practicing this. Okay, so there it is. So now I'm going to get rid of this. Now, we can do a variety of things with this image. We can view the image, we can edit the image, we can email the image. So let's quickly view the image. So I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I put it. Go to my desktop. Here's the bird picture. Sure enough, there it is. I'm viewing this picture right now in the Windows Photo Viewer, and it looks perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go into email and send this image to whomever I would like. So here we are in email, and I'm going to use Outlook, and I'm going to create a new email. And I'm going to send this to myself on another email account, and I'm going to put a subject up here, bird picture taken with snipping tool. Okay, and I'll just put some text this. Here it is. And I'm now going to insert, and I have a choice here. I can insert the actual picture, or I can put it as an attachment. And I'm going to insert the picture in line. Okay. So now a menu comes up of where I'd like to take the picture from, and I want to take it from my desktop. So I'm going to go through the desktop and find bird picture. There it is. There it is. And here it is in my email. Now, I'm going to send this email. Off the email goes, and that's going to come in on my other email account. So having the ability to take pictures of your screen and send them in email will simplify explaining problems to someone else. It will also easily let you share information that you just run into during your computing session or when you're surfing the web. Similar features are available on your Macintosh or iPad. Look at the Grab utility. That's the tool on the Mac. There are also some great third-party tools that provide screen capture functionality. A good open source alternative that I use is named GreenShot, and we'll give you the website for that. So start communicating using pictures. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words.